When your data is arranged like this, it's called structural dependence. Notice that if I want information about Felix Unger, I have to look at 3 different rows to learn that Felix Unger is a business major at Notre Dame. Now, the computer doesn't understand that very well, but the human eyeball can figure it out. Let's use Excel and fix this problem of structural dependence. On the Home tab, move all the way over to the right and use Find and select Go to Special. In the Go to Special dialog box, select blanks. Notice how all the blanks are selected. We now enter a formula, B2, which is the cell immediately above the one we want. Now all we have to do is press Control Enter and look what appears. We've actually put a formula in each of these cells. Now we want to get rid of that temporary formula by using Copy Paste. We use Copy Paste Special, and here we retain only the values. Now let's take another look at what our data ends up being. If we scroll around here and look in the formula bar, we notice that it appears as if everything had been originally typed and it is not formula driven. Pivot, filter, and grouping becomes much easier.